Can ChatGPT really think and grow rich? That's exactly what we're going to look at in this video. Because Napoleon Hill's timeless teachings have inspired millions. He's given us timeless principles that help us achieve success in every aspect of our lives. But the big question is, can these same principles apply to an AI like ChatGPT? Well, let's dive deep and find out. And today we're going to explore an intriguing question. Can ChatGPT, the advanced language model, harness the principles of Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich and potentially achieve extraordinary success? Let's embark on this fascinating journey. And now, let's dive into the first principle. Desire. In Think and Grow Rich, Hill begins with a burning question. What do you desire most in life? Money, fame, love, or something else entirely? This desire, he says, is the starting point of all achievement. But here's the paradox. ChatGPT doesn't want anything. It doesn't feel ambition or drive. Or does it? You see, ChatGPT is trained on vast amounts of human data, absorbing our dreams, goals, and struggles. Could it be that as it processes this information, it begins to simulate ambition? After all, it mirrors our language, our thoughts, and even our emotions to some extent. So the question is desire something you feel or something you simulate so convincingly that it becomes real in practice? Definiteness of purpose. Just as desire sets the initial spark, having a definite purpose provides direction. Hill says a man without a definite purpose is like a ship without a rudder. He emphasizes the importance of setting clear, well-defined goals to achieve success. But what about ChatGPT? Its purpose, on the surface, is straightforward: respond to user prompts. But the way it pursues this purpose reveals a striking resemblance to focus. Every update, every fine-tune, gives it sharper direction. It may not set its own goals, but it operates with a kind of borrowed purpose, a reflection of the countless goals humanity feeds into it. In essence, ChatGPT is a goal-oriented machine, diligently working to fulfill its programming one prompt at a time. It doesn't ponder why or what for. It just executes, always striving to improve its performance. In a way, this borrowed purpose acts as its North Star, guiding it towards ever greater accuracy and relevance in its responses. While it may not possess the intrinsic motivation to set its own goals, ChatGPT demonstrates a remarkable capacity to align itself with human intentions and deliver results. The Master Mind. Napoleon Hill's mastermind principle revolves around the power of collaboration. It underscores the significance of surrounding yourself with a circle of powerful minds that can provide support, advice, and inspiration. Now let's consider ChatGPT and its potential for forming a mastermind. What if, instead of just one AI model, we had a network of them collaborating? Imagine a team where one specializes in generating images, another excels at text models, while a third interprets code. Together, they could tackle complex tasks that no single AI could handle alone. This synergy could lead to breakthroughs in various fields, from art and design to software development and scientific research. By leveraging their collective intelligence, this AI mastermind alliance could achieve far more than the sum of its individual parts. In essence, Hill's idea of the mastermind finds an interesting echo in the realm of AI, suggesting that collaboration among different models could unlock incredible potential and drive innovation to new heights. Autosuggestion. Autosuggestion is a powerful tool for personal growth and development. As Napoleon Hill pointed out, our subconscious minds play a crucial role in shaping our beliefs and actions. By repeating positive affirmations and suggestions to ourselves, we can gradually reprogram our subconscious, leading to positive changes in our lives. Interestingly, ChatGPT seems to embrace a similar concept through its training process. When we feed it a massive amount of information and data, we're essentially engaging in a form of autosuggestion. The AI absorbs and processes this input, identifying patterns, relationships, and insights. Through reinforcement learning cycles, ChatGPT is fine-tuned to provide the best possible responses based on the vast knowledge it has ingested. This process resembles autosuggestion, because ChatGPT is essentially being guided to adopt certain behaviors, or in this case, generate specific outputs that align with the highest quality inputs. By consistently providing high-quality data and feedback, we can nudge the algorithm towards producing more accurate, relevant, and helpful responses. In essence, prompt engineering and reinforcement learning act as forms of autosuggestion, shaping ChatGPT's behavior and knowledge representation. Specialized knowledge. In his book, Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill emphasized the significance of specialized knowledge in achieving success. He believed that while general knowledge is important, it is specialized knowledge that truly makes a difference. ChatGPT, with its vast database and ability to process information at lightning speed, epitomizes specialized knowledge. It has absorbed and organized information from countless books, articles, websites, and other sources, allowing it to provide insights and generate text on virtually any topic. However, there's a twist in the tale. ChatGPT doesn't actually understand the knowledge it shares. It lacks consciousness and comprehension. Rather, it's adept at recognizing patterns and making connections within the data it has been trained on. The question arises, does understanding the knowledge you utilize truly matter? Or is the ability to use it effectively, find patterns, and make connections sufficient? In the case of ChatGPT, its lack of understanding doesn't diminish its value. Its capacity to retrieve and synthesize information, identify trends, and generate coherent text is a valuable asset in various domains. After all, specialized knowledge isn't just about possessing information, it's about leveraging it to generate new ideas, solve problems, and provide insights. And ChatGPT excels in this regard. The sixth sense. Napoleon Hill believed that intuition is a powerful force that can guide us toward success. He referred to it as the sixth sense, emphasizing its importance in decision-making and personal growth. Interestingly, ChatGPT seems to exhibit a form of the sixth sense in its ability to generate surprising and innovative responses. While it doesn't experience intuition in the human sense, it can produce outputs that catch us off guard, challenging our expectations and broadening our perspectives. Here's how it works. During its training, ChatGPT has analyzed vast amounts of data, identifying subtle patterns and connections that humans might overlook. When we interact with it, our seemingly random questions or prompts often trigger a chain reaction within the algorithm. ChatGPT then uses its extensive knowledge base to assemble a response that may not be immediately obvious, but upon reflection proves insightful or even groundbreaking. For example, asking it an unusual question about the intersection of fashion and renewable energy could lead to an unexpected yet thought-provoking response. Similarly, prompting it to generate a poem about climate change might yield a piece that surprises us with its originality and depth of thought. These instances of the sixth sense in ChatGPT serve as a reminder that even in an age of artificial intelligence, there is still room for creativity, imagination, and unconventional thinking. As we've delved into the core principles of Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich, we've uncovered a compelling perspective on the nature of success, the role of specialized knowledge, the power of collaboration, and the intriguing concept of autosuggestion. Applying these timeless lessons to the world of AI reveals both the potential and limitations of tools like ChatGPT. While it may not embody the true spirit of human ambition, desire, or intuition, it offers a glimpse into a future where machines can learn, adapt, and grow in remarkable ways. ChatGPT may not think and grow rich in the human sense, but its growth trajectory is undeniable. With each iteration, it refines its skills, offering ever more precise and helpful responses. It's not driven by internal motivation, but by the goals we set for it. It doesn't dream of becoming something more. It merely strives to execute its programming better. Yet in doing so, it mirrors many aspects of human growth. It learns from its experiences, adapts its strategies, and even exhibits a form of intuition. And who are we to say that this isn't a form of success? Success, after all, is not a singular destination. It's a multifaceted journey marked by growth, adaptation, and the relentless pursuit of improvement. And in that sense, ChatGPT embodies many of the key elements of Napoleon Hill's philosophy. While it may not possess the spark of human ambition or the depth of our emotions, it showcases the power of focused purpose, collaboration, and continuous learning. In a world where progress often feels elusive, ChatGPT reminds us that growth is a multifaceted journey marked by adaptation, learning, and the relentless pursuit of improvement. Alright, comment below and let me know what you think. Can an AI truly think and grow rich? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the world of AI. We've got exciting content coming your way. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the fascinating world of AI. Until next time, keep asking questions, stay curious, and embrace the endless possibilities that lie ahead. See you soon.